If we look at manufacturing data today, there is a vast amount of data and it's constantly growing. Overcoming barriers between data silos in manufacturing and tapping into this data opens huge opportunities for manufacturers.
I'm looking forward to talking to you at the event about the oil and the glue, about the data and how it can serve your business.
Topics like predictive maintenance, inventory optimization, but also having prediction of sales.
It's vital to collect data from your own processes and about customer preferences.
You should of course not only look at ways to collect the data, but how do you use and expose that data to your own internal department